Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Oh, they want me to cut up. I got y'all.
Niggas be reppin' on innocent bodies, but we whack niggas who start the beef. I go to war with any block from east to west, we put shit on the team. Come through like SWAT and we doing the sweep. 10 niggas with chops walking around on feet. Tell them come outside, we been sliding on weed. This an AMG, not an SRT. Out the window with chop, this an AIP. Kill shit first, made GBG. Fuck a rap about a nigga, we make shit lean. Niggas speaking on book, Chris down on scene.
I got beans and bologna.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean CV, y'all. You feel me? We back at it again with another banger video for y'all boys. Y'all already know how we coming. How to get y'all boys a little pull and me get on the freeway. That was very little, so don't be in the comment talking about that bitch slow. Nigga, I do show shit, no cap. But anywho, as y'all boys can tell by the title and thumbnail, I know you see that bit, you feel me? We doing a Hellcat POV with my new SMG, you feel me? We got the MPA Mac 11 Grim Reaper edition. Y'all see how that bit look, you feel me? This is my newest gun pickup of the year, you feel me? This the first gun I bought this year, no cap, you feel me? So we got that bit looking amazing, you feel me? Got that suppress on that bit. Y'all see it? Y'all see it, bro? You feel me? But before we get too far in the video, make sure y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Hit the post notification bell so y'all niggas don't miss whenever we drop more bangers. You feel me? Also, if y'all get this video to 1,000 likes, I'll bump fire that bit on camera on my next video. I promise you I will. So if y'all want to see me bump fire the Mac 11 Grim Reaper edition, nigga, y'all better hit that like button, no doubt. Oh, weak as hell. I ain't gonna lie, but we can't cut up with no gas. So you know what that mean, my nigga? We gotta go to the gas station. So we finna pull up to the gas station right here. That Chevron motherfucker. And we finna gas that bit up. No doubt. Alright, y'all, you feel me? We back behind the wheel. You feel me? We had to gas that bit up. That bit said we got 189 miles of range. I ain't never seen no number that high. That's how you know I've been driving conservative lately. But I ain't finna drive conservative now. Oh, that explains a lot. I forgot to cut traction control off. What a doofus. I'm tweaking. Oh God, I thought I had messed something up on everything. I ain't been in that bit in a little while though. Let me go ahead and put my Mac 11 in my lap. You feel me? Cause you don't know them boys might come up out of nowhere and try to blick your boy down. No doubt. I can't get blicked down with my new 5. You feel me? That's bad luck. But actually, I'm gonna put that bit back in the seat though because I'm gonna try to bend this little corner. First, we gotta look left and right, my nigga. Left and right to make sure ain't no police behind us. And then we just gonna smash the gas. Damn, I keep forgetting to cut traction control off, bruh. I'm tweaking, bruh. I'm gonna pull over so I can pull my traction control, turn my traction control off. Cause I'm tweaking so bad right now. Look, them niggas telling me to cut up, bet. I got you. I got you. Oh, we can hear. We had to cut up for them boys. We had to. Bro, I ain't doing it. I can't do it no more right here. I got the block too high, you feel me? And I already got that Mac 11 with me, you feel me? I can't be cutting up too much. See, that what happen when you give a nigga a show. They want you to keep doing more. Nah, nigga, that's enough. I'm supposed to be saving these tires for a whole nother video, twin. But you feel me? You know I'm gonna give it to y'all niggas every trip. No doubt. I don't know what this nigga in front of me doing. We're going around. But this is a little railroad track. And we definitely going slow over this bit. You feel me? I'm weak. I'm a real driver. I'm a real driver out there, bitch. What y'all niggas know about a real driver? I'm hoping that it don't start raining out there, bitch. Well, actually, the AC is working. I guess I'm good. Cause I could have sworn, I ain't gonna lie, like last week, only these two was getting cold. The passenger side was not getting cold. I don't know if I ain't worn it bit up yet or what, but you feel me? We cooling. That bitch got a little too sideways right now. No doubt. I'm kind of nervous, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. You feel me? Oh, yeah. I want y'all to rate this gun from 1 to 10. You feel me? Tell me how y'all boys like it. You feel me? A lot of people who I done showed this gun to say they really is in love with the gun and they think about getting one themselves, you feel me? And if y'all do get one, don't say I ain't put y'all boys on, you feel me? That Grim Reaper motherfucker. Bro, look at how many miles of range I done lost just for doing them couple slides. I done lost down there 20 miles. Hellcat 230. This the real hood right here. If y'all don't know where I'm at, my nigga, I'm in Belma. Not Bessemer, but Belma. You feel me? It's the difference between Bessemer and Belma. Belma is the trenches, you feel me? That's where you get your ass whacked at. Bessemer, it's like, you feel me? It's like the good part, you feel me? So don't get it misconstrued. You will get your ass blicked down out there bit. But I ain't getting blicked down, you feel me? I got Mr. Mackie Lemon around with me today. On guard, nigga. What y'all know about that Mackie Lemon motherfucker? I'm trying to figure out what's the next gun that I want though, you feel me? I think I want to build me a micro ARP, but I just want my junk to run good. I don't want my junk to be jamming. You gotta go through the projects and that cat, you gotta let that bitch whine for that ass for the one time. But I can't go too crazy over here because they got some type of little police department over there bitch. I know y'all see that ass right here. You feel me? I'm finna hit up the other projects that's like right down the street. I might slide, you feel me? I might not, you feel me? I don't know. We just gotta make sure 12 ain't lurking over that bit. Cause driving this car, my nigga, I am a huge target. Like the police gonna automatically know it's me. Like look, they're gonna run right there. You feel me? If that nigga was at the projects or drove past the projects while I was flying, that nigga gonna put belt ass. And I'm not stopping. Cause I don't got time. Get out the way, boy. I ain't gonna lie, I've never been to these projects right here. I don't know what I'm getting myself into. These niggas might bust in my ass, no cap. Shit, they fuck with it though. They fuck with a cat though. Can't say they don't fuck with it though. I'm gonna turn my ass around, no cap. somebody dog barking at my ass. Oh, they want me to cut up. I got y'all. Had to cut up for them boys for the one time. Now I got to get the fuck on. Oh God, my nigga, I gotta get old, bro. See y'all, bro, I've been hyped up today. I ain't gonna lie, I've been waiting to make this video. Hopefully y'all boys enjoying it, no doubt. You feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna calm down on the slide. I've been driving like goddamn the police's. I've been driving like police's ain't a thing no more. Like I've been driving like them niggas don't exist. But I had to show love to the niggas in the projects, you feel me? Some of them niggas' power might be out. Or them niggas may be, you feel me? They may be behind on the bills. They don't care about no motherfucking bills when they hear that Hellcat come through that bitch. No doubt! Oh! Also, you feel me? I do got some more content, you feel me? Some different content coming. Well, I ain't gonna say different, but I do got some content coming y'all way this weekend, so y'all stay tuned, you feel me? Your boy gonna get y'all boy, you feel me, that good content. Just make sure y'all boy liking and comment on the videos, you feel me? So we can go up on the YouTube stuff, so we can get us another whip, you feel me? Once y'all boy, you feel me, turn a nigga up to where I can get me probably like a black wing, you feel me? Or something crazy, you best believe I'm gonna get that bitch. I really want to be in the position where I can full-time YouTube, bro. I'm talking about I'll be uploading every day. Shit, this will be my job, no doubt. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, you feel me? Cause I ain't trying to, you feel me, have the laws on you, boy. I don't need to be running from no police or nothing. I got my new gun, and if they arrest me, they taking my new gun. I haven't even took that bitch virginity yet. I have not busted that bitch yet, not once. You feel me? So that's gonna wrap it up. Make sure y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Hit that post notification bell so y'all little niggas know whenever I drop more bangers. You feel me? And until next time, y'all, your boy Sons TV is out. Peace.